Hi guys, what's up? I'm Mark Armenta, your friendly tutor, and you are now watching your friendly tutor videos. Alright, let's start. Our topic for today has something to do with Facebook again. How are you going to use Facebook as a learning management system? And how to have graded quizzes in Facebook? And how to download those quizzes in an Excel file? Do you want to learn that? So let's start. First, let me share my screen. So let's have a Facebook group here. All right. So as you can see, this is our Facebook group in Science 10 online class in our school. As you can see, in this tab, we have the so-called units. And not all Facebook groups have units. So what can we see here in these units? All right, so we can see Unit 1, Module 1, and some of the uploaded files or activities that is somehow or somewhat organized. Unlike some uploaded files in Facebook groups that are cluttered. So how are we going to have this one? And how are you going to have a quiz like this? Quiz number 1. Let's try this quiz number 1. Alright, so we should click this button, the take quiz, and then let's answer it. So here we have 1 out of 10 questions. So I have already written 10 questions here that my students will answer. So let's try to answer this quiz. Next. Okay. Another one. For example, this is the answer. Another answer. All right. So this is a multiple type or multiple choice type of question. The answer here is, for example, you want to answer barometer. We all know we know that that is wrong, okay? But let's just try it. Let's just randomly select answers without thinking if it is right or wrong. So the students can only answer one here. Flash flood, let's answer flash flood, for example. And then number 10, for example, we have the triangulation method. And then let's submit it. Alright, so congratulations, you have passed this quiz with a score of 60%. So I got 6 out of 10. So let's see the answers. Alright, so I have 4 incorrect answers. We have question number 5, 7, 8, 9. And then I also got the correct answered numbers. So let's try to click. Let's try to click this one. Okay, so the students can see the correct answer here. All right. So what if we want or the student want to retake the quiz? So just tick this retake quiz. I am not sure if how many times one student can retake a quiz. Okay. So let's click these 3 dots here, and we can see edit quiz and download quiz results. This is what we are waiting for, how to download quiz results. All right. So let's click the yan. So this is the file, the Excel file that we have downloaded. So let's see it. All right. So wait. The folder is in the other monitor. Alright, so this is the result in Excel file. Some of my students have already answered it. Alright, so the name of the student will be shown here, and then it will be shown 10 times for each question. And then in this part, we have the correct answer is labeled as true, and then this is my score, 60%. And then this is my attempt number on that number. Alright. So on my first attempt, I got 6 out of 10, and all of the questions that have false here are incorrect. And then some students, let's see, first, some students have already taken it twice, so they already got 100% or perfect score. See? So how are you going to have that quiz? How are you going to assign quizzes using Facebook? So let's start from the scratch. First, one or the admin of the Facebook group must go to the settings, and then you are going to set your group as in this group type. So you click this pencil, then you choose social learning group as your group type. All right, and then you save, and then this tab here will now be shown in your Facebook group. If you didn't edit your setting, it will not be shown here. Again, this is another type or another tab, mentorship, and that's another topic for next time. Let's just focus on units. So when the students, or if the students will click these units, they will go to this page. How are you going to add another unit? Just create or just click create unit, and then you write, for example, module 2, and then you write the description. This is all about MELC number 2, or most essential learning competencies number 2. Then you click save. Now you can create post or create quiz. So let's try this create quiz first. So you write the quiz title, for example, quiz number 2, and then passing score, for example, let's have 6. So automatically that is 60%. Or if you want to have 7, 70% of the total number of questions. So just write your question here, and then you write your option here or the choices, and then you click add answer if you want to have more options, and then you just click this garbage can to delete the choices, and then just add question for you to have question number 2, and then you just add question again to have question number 3, and then you write and then you click done. Or if you want to reorder the questions, you just click reorder questions. That is how you're going to write quiz using Facebook. How about this create post? So you just click the create post, and then let's wait. You write the title. For example, practice exercise number 1. And then you click these 3 buttons, and then you add file. All right, or you create doc. So in my example, I have already created one survey, one YouTube link, one quiz, one PowerPoint presentation, and one PDF file. You can also add, I think we can also add Excel file and documents or Word, MS Word. Okay? So, so that is how you're going to use Facebook group as an LMS or learning management system. Alright, so I hope that you have learned something today or tonight. Thank you very much. Goodbye.